Well, good morning from Dynodaze. As you can see, we have a very yellow Honda Civic FN2 in the workshop this morning. It's what's it having, Jason? Rear calipers, rear disc and pads. Yeah, typical Civic caliper issue. It's got a bit of a difference. A bit of wrap, and yes, that's a fairly straightforward task for us today. I don't think I've seen one in this colour. I believe they're all pink on the inside, so yeah, Jason will be getting on with this one this morning and loving it. It's bloody cold, so we'll take some photographs as we go. They look much better, Jason. Thanks, mate. Oh, yes. Some lovely stoppers at the rear. I get all the best jobs. Off. I've got a bad knee, you know. So I get to do all the brake bleeding. Fantastic. Well, this FN2 is on the dyno. First free dyno run of the year with our special offer. Spend more than £100 in the workshop and we are going to dyno your car for you for free. So there we go. So let's see what she makes, which is just warming her up. There she goes. 213. Yeah, 213 brake, 177 at the wheels. Well done. The banana split.
Light was pretty fast.